A very common question I get asked is, how long do I need to wear my curling headband before I see curls? And the answer is a little long-winded and it totally depends. If you remember, when you prep your hair, you can either wrap your hair when it is 100% dry already, or you can wrap your hair when it is ever so lightly dampened. And so depending on if your hair is damp, it's gonna take longer for the curls to set because you're gonna wanna wait for your hair to be 100% dry before taking it down. Usually it's gonna be like a couple hours, 1 to 2 hours or longer. And the longer you wear it and the longer the curls will last. That's on the damp side. On the dry side, it also depends on how long you're wearing it, but you can wear it for 30 minutes and then take it down and you will see some curls if you put it in when your hair is dry. I'll take mine down right now. I've had my hair wrapped. My hair was dry when I put it in and it was wrapped, and I've been wearing it for about 45 minutes. So you can see what curls have set after 45 minutes of dry hair. And yeah, you will get some curls. I naturally have super stick straight hair, so you see curls. And if you have naturally wavy or naturally curly hair, actually, I do recommend you try doing it dry because your curls are inclined to form a curl shape. And so they're gonna last super long, even if you put it in when it's dry. But yes, here are my curls. These curls will not last nearly as long as if I dampened my hair first. But as you can see, 45 minutes later, I do indeed have curls, having put my curling headband on when my hair was dry. Now, how is that possible? Let me dive into that. Our curling headband, by the way, it's patented, fully patented, and inside we actually developed our own proprietary fabric. It's our H²air-Tex. It's a plush micro fleece blend. It looks like this. This is super moisture wicking. Your curls are gonna be set in half the time, especially if you're putting in with damp hair. It's just gonna absorb that extra moisture so that your curls are ready in half the time compared to other curlers. And on top of it, it also doesn't over-absorb from your hair's natural moisture, and that's key for both putting it in with dry hair and or with damp hair. That's why you're able to create these curls even though your hair was already dry and it's only been 45 minutes. Our curling headband is designed to create curls that last 5 times longer than your curling iron. We specifically developed our fabrics for heatless curls for that longevity purpose, so that you will get the most incredible curls of your life. Hope this video is helpful. If you have any other questions or you want any other tips and tricks, do not hesitate to leave a comment in the section below. I read all of them and I love answering your questions in these videos for you to help educate you on how to get the best curls of your life with RobeCurls.